It's the Rejuvenator Guy. Today we're going to go over the Paradigm lifestyle in a nutshell. So I'm about to have my breakfast. I'm going to be real quick because the videos, I got to get them shorter. I got to get them down to like, I'm trying to get it down to like 5 minutes. Even that's probably too long for this day and age, but I've got this juice here, apple, celery, lemon. You can use any juice. Grapefruit is great. Orange juice is great. Apple juice is great. The lemon ginger blast is great. Apple, lemon, celery is really great. Then I take the cleanse. This is the definitive cure for chronic constipation. There's two types of constipation. One is in your gut and one is microscopically. So you got the macroscopic constipation, which means you don't poop very often. You need to change your diet, eat some pears, apples, bananas, and take this cleanse product every single day. You need to get rid of the glyphosate, so you need to eat organic, and you want to eat as much fresh, whole, raw living foods as you possibly can. Constipation will never become a problem. You'll poop 2 or 3 times a day. Now, shouldn't smoke crack before you make videos. Now, there is the microscopic constipation, which is diminished by juice fasting and water fasting. Can you dig it? And that's the small blood vessels that eventually get occluded because of all the fake fats and the fake carbs and the fake proteins and the high heated everything. And then the microscopic buildup plugs the fine capillaries and then blocks blood flow. That is microscopic constipation. And there's also the lymphatic stagnation, which is also a type of constipation as well. So you want to flush your system with lots of liquids and high water juices and things like that. So I'm going to take the cleanse product here and put in a scoop or 2. I like to go heavy. I like to use the powder, but there's also caps. You know, start off small to make sure you don't have a blowout, but you know, it says 4, but on my protocol, I say use 8. And if you try 8 and everything works fine, and you're kind of got a bowling ball or you've got constipation, take it up to 16, take it up to 20. Don't be afraid. It's gentle and effective. Okay, so here's this is my little, stir that up. It's not the best tasting, it's not the worst. I like to have the powder and the caps on hand. The caps are convenient. The powder is, you get more bang for your buck. And then if you really want to do like a real cleanser, you take like 2 or 3 tablespoons. I did about 1.5. Yesterday I did 2 and had a wonderfully amazing bowel movement like a champ this morning. I know you wanted to hear that. Just some herbs. Got to get your gut cleaned out, man. I'm telling you, man, I cannot believe how sick humanity is right now. It's sad. Okay, so this is the cleanse. That's the first thing you take in the morning with juice. Your next juice is the lemon ginger blast. You can start with the lemon ginger blast, or that can be your second juice, or you can use gorilla milk. But the lemon ginger blast is a super duper tonic. Can you dig it? And you take your Pyrazyme and your herbal blood, okay? The herbal blood is the anti-parasite, antifungal, anti-candida, etc., to start creating an environment where the critters don't want to be. There's certain frequencies of certain plants, and the more heavier, sludgy, dead junk you have in there, the more of those different types of microbes and viruses and fungus and worms want to live. So you want to have a highly oxygenated environment in the gut, and you want to use herbs as you're using the cleanse and the raw foods and the juices to cleanse out the gut wall and clean and clear the whole system. So you're using herbal blood and you're using the enzymes. People are enzyme deficient, and so their livers aren't functioning, their gallbladders aren't functioning, and their endocrine system isn't functioning because they are deficient in enzymes, because they're robbing their overall enzyme bank account every time they eat with cooked, dead food. So you want to eat as much fresh, whole, raw, living foods as possible, because it takes so much of your glands and organs and microbial activity, vital force, to break down those cooked foods and try to reconstitute whatever it can. Whatever's left, it depends on how much you cook it. If you lightly cook something, there's going to be more of those beneficial compounds and phytonutrients, antioxidants, oxygen, fiber, everything to feed the body at the microscopic levels. The sunlight is in the food, but if you heat it up, it disperses. The oxygen, the hydrogen, the minerals are oscillating in the living plant foods. But if I were to cook these mustard greens, which some people do, you kill everything of true subtle value, and it's the subtle qualities that are missing in humanity's consciousness when it comes to diet. So the enzymes are going to regenerate your body because the liver produces the enzymes, but really in very microscopic amounts, except when you are water only fasting. Then the enzymes shoot up through the roof and they start gobbling up all the junk and the gunk trapped in everyone's body, which is making them slow, sluggish, overweight, bad skin, cellulite, and everything else. So you can cleanse out your body and lose all the weight and lose all the toxins, and then you'll feel better. Your brain will work better, your body will work better, you'll be more flexible, you'll look better, you'll feel better, you'll smell better, you'll taste better if you get to that point, and your life can improve dramatically, and most importantly, your consciousness will change. The cleaner the gut is, the more the consciousness will change. So you do the cleanse, then you do the herbal blood and the pyrozyme, and then now you're really starting to cleanse out and build up a lot of energy, and vibrancy. The enzymes act as catalysts for all your biological functions, which, it kind of slowly, sluggishly works, but as soon as you bring these in, you've got so much more potential, enzyme potential, cellular communication potential, because, they act like communication links between cells. And if those aren't there, the cells are very sluggish, slow, and have no communication ability. Next is the gorilla milk. So you can have whatever drinks you want. But what I do for all my clients is I say juice, salad, So I just brought the gorilla milk because I wanted to just say, it's either start the day with a lemon ginger blast, then a gorilla milk, or some other juice, and then a lemon ginger blast, and then you skip the gorilla milk or whatever. But I have this gorilla milk, and it's like the best thing in the world. It's like gorilla milk is one of the best things there is on planet Earth. It's just amazing. You take the coconut and the soaked almonds, and you take some of the probiotic and a couple scoops of the raw natural protein where you get all 22 essential amino acids and build your own healthy proteins, structures in your body. This is also all 22 essential amino acids, vitamin E, which is neuroprotective and has a ton of antioxidants in it as well. Plus both of these have prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes in them. So what you're getting here is fertilizer for the garden of the gut. That's the best way that I can explain what the Paradigm Company is that it's fertilizer for the garden of the gut, and it just wakes everything up. And once you get your gut right, your whole life will change, And so, yes, you can grow vegetables and fruits without fertilizers, but as soon as you bring in these concentrated superfood fertilizers for the garden of the gut, which all these products feed the microbes, cleanse, break things down, eliminate, and create an environment where these worms and parasites don't want to live. And then you bring in all the prebiotics, probiotics, amino acids, carbohydrates, vitamin E, antioxidants. And then finally, then what you do is you take the coconut and the almonds and you make coconut almond yogurt. Then you can make dressings with basil, cilantro, or whatever. And then you make a salad. So basically the Paradigm Protocol is these products, juice, salad. And on your salad, you can put the coconut almond yogurt and bring in more probiotics and culturize it. Then it's pre-digested fat, pre-digested protein, pre-digested carbohydrates, all in a live food form. So you're getting all this energy, because I don't think anybody has enough energy. I don't know, So when we get on these moderate amounts of food and it's all living and alive and cultured and pre-digested, it can make life a lot better. You'll have a lot more energy for your brain, a lot more energy for your body, a lot more focus. Your consciousness will change for the better. You'll begin to see like a light will start to come on. And then you'll be like me, there's too much light. And it's just, you know, I have a few friends and stuff like that, but you can't really talk to anybody today because if they're not halfway asleep, they're totally asleep, you know. But to full awakening of the absolute, you're kind of like an alien, but it's cool. You really are an alien. You're just passing through little Earth. You got a body. It's like, whoa, what the hell am I going to do with this thing? And I just happened to, you know, do this whole thing with the food thing, and I figured it all out. That's why I've got the class coming up, Raw Food Mastery, Mysticism, and the End of Suffering. And that's the next class that's going to be on the Patreon, the Elite Video Club, coming up this weekend. So if you want to join me for that, you always can. You can always come over to the Patreon and get the real DTM where I can share the truth on the live Zoom calls, you know. Today I did a pretty good job. I don't think I said anything about anything, and that's really rare. Usually I start these videos and I go off on these rabbit tangents and say all the things that I'm not allowed to say on social media. But today I don't think I did that for some reason. I've had so much practice. I've made hundreds of videos and they've all been failures. And then if I put them up, even the ones that are lesser so, I get them taken down and I get strikes, but I still have my channel. It's amazing. So I'm going to try to keep it by just shutting up, not saying anything, just being like, here, eat your carrot juice, and then that's it. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day. Don't die, you know. Be aware so you don't die, you know. And I can't tell you what it is that is going to kill you, but if you're paying attention, you'll already have that figured out. So, and finally, you take the Pure Life right before bed. 10 or 20 of those, you chew them up, and then you brush your teeth. After that, you brush your teeth with probiotics, and then you'll have the super healthy gums, because the gums are an extension of the gastrointestinal tract. So all this heals the gastrointestinal tract from your sinuses actually all the way down to your anus. And that's a whole system in and of itself. It's a whole ecology that needs to be nurtured in order to have high levels of health and a happy, good life. So I hope you have a great day. I hope to see you on the Elite Video Club. I do have some sales coming up for my website, so I'll mention those. You'll see me come out of my little turtle shell for a minute to do that because I want to keep my head above water here. I'm not chasing any hookers. I don't have a boat. I just live in a little tiny box. I sleep on the floor. I own nothing, but I do have to pay for the roof and the food. So thank you all very much. Otherwise, I wouldn't bother you with any of this stuff, but it's really actually incredible knowledge. So it's very, very valuable, but I don't know if you're interested or not. Apparently you're still here. So at this point in the video, but I'm just saying in the beginning, you know, you never know if anyone's interested. Hardly anyone is really interested in health. It's amazing. I love it. I'm very grateful to have it. I'm very grateful I went down the road because now all this stuff is like automatic and I can work on those higher levels that really set you free. So get the prerequisite and get yourself super healthy. Then you can start really just untangling the knots of the mind that bind you, and you can find true freedom that lasts for all of eternity. God bless you. If you're into that sort of thing.